Hi, my name is Mary. I would like to walk through this unit with you. The stock number is T41205. It's a 2020 Forest River Rockwood. It's a hard side, so you can take this into a national park. It's not like a tent trailer, but it's very small. Just at a little over 2,000 pounds, almost any truck could pull this unit. It sleeps 4. It's right at 17 feet long. So you've got 2 beds, 2 sleeping areas, one of the dinette and one just with a bed. The dinette sleeps 2 also. That breaks down into a nice bed there. You've got a kitchen, so the sink, microwave, refrigerator, 3-burner stovetop. Very small and cute. You can have some great memories with this unit. If you have any questions, and I'm sure you do, please give me a call. My direct number is 406-850-4590, and I would love to help you. My name is Mary. Thank you.